Here is the pre-owned 2020 Forest River Forester 3011 DS. This coach has full body paint and many other features. So let's just go on down the side here. We'll check out all the storage and all the other good stuff. Outdoor TV, storage, more storage, your propane, a little bit more storage here. And we have a whole lot of storage right here in the back that passes through over to the other side. We have slide toppers on both slide outs. Nice little cargo box on the back bumper. Ladder so you could do your roof maintenance. Go around to the driver's side. Nice fiberglass wraparound front cap. Here's the Onan 4000 generator. Small storage. Bigger storage. Here's your control center. And the other side of the pass-through storage. Underneath looks pretty good. Spare tire, levelers, and a better view of the back. Let's check out the inside. Don't mind the mud, we've been walking in and out of it. Here's the cabin with a nice carbon fiber dash. And the bunk up above with storage. TV, kitchen area. We have an extended countertop, cordless charging for your phone, hidden garbage can storage. We have a 3-burner stovetop, and the convection microwave. And the fridge freezer. This is a 12 volt. And here we have seating that folds into a bed. Also has a nice little cup holder spot. Storage up above, and the large U-shaped dinette. Drawers underneath. And the bathroom is split. Here's the shower stall. Don't mind the antifreeze. And the bathroom. and the bedroom. Tons of space to get the whole way around the bed. Little tighter over here, but still enough to get in. And I didn't notice this before. There's a little step here. Probably make it a little easier to get into the bed. And lots of storage over on this side. And that's the 2020 Forester.